Pool Payday's cash tournaments are restricted by region, so a region-locked message can mean the cash mode simply isn't available where you are. The current App Store listing says cash tournaments are available in most of the world, but specifically excludes Arizona, Arkansas, Connecticut, Delaware, Illinois, Indiana, Louisiana, Montana, South Carolina, South Dakota, and Tennessee. By the end, you'll know how to tell whether this is an actual location restriction or a device or account issue, and which settings are worth checking before reinstalling the app. First, check what part of Pool Payday is locked. The app supports free play even when cash tournaments aren't enabled in a particular region. 1. If free games work but cash entry matches are unavailable, that points toward a regional prize restriction, rather than a basic installation problem. Next, check your device's location settings. On iPhone, open Settings, find Pool Payday, then check whether location access is available and enabled if the app requests it. Also check that your phone's region settings match your actual location. Don't use a VPN to try to bypass a regional restriction, because changing your apparent location doesn't guarantee that cache features will become available and can create additional account or verification problems. If you recently traveled, changed your device region, or restored your phone, completely close Pool Payday and reopen it after confirming your normal location settings. If the app still shows the same restriction, check whether the cache feature is actually supported in your current region, rather than repeatedly reinstalling it. There's another detail worth checking: make sure you're using the correct Pool Payday app. The official App Store listing identifies the developer as Hidden Pixel Games, LLC, and says the game uses skills for real money competitions and withdrawals. App Store 1. There are also similarly named Pool Payday apps on Google Play, so installing a different app with a similar name can produce completely different features and availability. Google Play Toon. So the fix is straightforward. Confirm you have the correct Pool Payday app, verify your actual device region and location permissions, restart the app, and check whether cash tournaments are supported in your region. If free play works but cash play remains locked, there may be nothing to repair on the phone. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday fixes.